Hey guys, Ansel and Cody again. Today we have something very special. Leisure Travel Van 2025 RL. We're going to go over some cool things about it today with you. So we'll start on the outside here. 110 plug. This guy here is going to be your battery bank. So in this particular model, you have one 270 amp hour Battle-Born lithium battery, but you have space to add a second one. So right to the right, you can have two 270 amp hour lithium batteries. Xantrex inverter, main disconnect for your house battery. Also, a generator on this model. What you get on the exterior here is an optional exterior table. So this particular build is going to have a fold-out table that can fold out and attach right to this spot here. Also, secondary piece for the ladder on the back end. So if you take a look here, that second piece will just attach here so you can get to the roof and clean it off. Access your solar, reseal any caulking appliances up there. You also get a backup camera with the rear view camera. So when you back up, it'll come on, and as you drive, you can look in that rear view and you can see what's behind you. Also towing, about a 5,000 pound towing capacity with a 500 pound tongue weight. Nice big windows. This is why I like the rear lounge. You get this very nice big window here, a window up top, so it gives that open feel. If you don't like being all squished inside your van, upgrade to a B+. So this guy here is your dump station / wet storage. Macerated hose, I call that guy the stinky slinky. Sandy flush for the black tank. Propane fill, propane switch. You can even dump your tank from down here. It's basically everything in one. You're not running to multiple sides, trying to do this, trying to do that. All you do is just come to this one spot and everything's here for you. Outside shower, if you want to rinse the dog off. You go to the beach, feet have a little sand on it. Again, 30 amp power cord, standard. Comes with it. You can get the adapters if you need to. Truma AquaGo, tankless hot water heater. This guy runs off of propane. Top of the line, very nice. Power switch on here. Control it from the inside. We're going to go over that later in a minute. Furnace exhaust. Nice storage. Gray water hose. Or if you wanted to, you can take off the macerator if it failed and use it as a gravity dump. That could be your secondary stinky slinky. And then this guy here is going to be your generator. So flex power 4,000 watt generator. That's going to give you plenty of power on the inside. Now again, you have lithium batteries. You can run everything off in the coach right off those batteries. This guy you can use as well. If those batteries get a little bit low, you can fire this up and that'll recharge them. And again, you also have solar, so that's always charging as well. This is a diesel coach, so your diesel fill is going to be right here on the side. I like the way they designed this because when this door is closed, guess what? Nobody's getting to your gas tank. Hood release latch, bottom left here. So I'm going to take a look underneath. Oh, nice. Look at these struts on here. Beautiful. So guys, we have the 4-cylinder, twin turbo, 2-liter high output engine. If you needed, they put a positive terminal here, negative terminal on the side if you needed a jump. Brake fluid, washer fluid, everything's really easily accessible. Again, this is an upgrade. So 4-cylinder twin turbo. Between 2023 and now, they switched over to this guy. All of the Sprinters are going to have the same engine in it. A little bit better gas mileage is what you're getting. So come on and follow me. We're going to check out the inside. So right on the interior, right when you walk in, storage underneath here. Go ahead and toss your shoes on there if you want. Step override switch if you don't want that guy to go in and out, if you want it to stay stationary. master light switch, and an interior battery disconnect. So if you step inside here, what you're also getting is a Firefly touchscreen panel. All the controls for everything will be here. Your tank levels, your master light switch, your generator on and off. It's going to give you your battery reading. You can dim the lights as well. Electrical, it's just showing you what's going on with everything. Where's the power coming from? Where's it going to? Inverter, on and off switch for it. AC, furnace. This has a dehumidifier in it as well, guys. Settings. There's even a mobile app you can download, the Vega Touch by Mira, Google Play or Apple Store. Go ahead and scan the QR code. Download the app. You can control the lights and everything right from your cell phone. Also has AGS. Stands for auto generator start. If your battery reaches a low level, that'll automatically trigger that generator to kick on and recharge it. A lot of cool features on this guy. It does have an optional safe, which this one does have. Built-in safe for you. Nice, beautiful kitchen. And in this case, it still has a propane cooktop, 2-burner. Connex TV, tons of storage. And leisure travel van, they're very top of the line brand. So they're out of Canada. They're made in Canada and they're imported here. Look at the woodwork on this. Hinges, very solid. Vacuum bonded slide outs. Over here you have your convection microwave / oven. Soft close. This is one of my favorite. LTV cabinetry. Embroidered the symbol there. Soft close on everything, guys. 12-volt refrigerator. That was that microwave I was talking about. And then now the star of the show, the rear lounge. I'm about 6'3". I can sit here very comfortably, guys. You have the TV here, and like I was saying, you have that big window right on the side. So when you're inside here, you still almost feel like you're outside, you know, looking in nature. In the comfortability of a leisure travel van. So check this out. You're here, wife's here, relaxing, watching a show. And it does have a sound bar. And what they did is, if wife needs to get up in the middle of the night and use the bathroom, you have a walkway here. When the bed comes down, you can get off to the side and get to the bathroom without having to lift the bed up. So let me show you real quick. In real time, guys, we're keeping this camera rolling in real time. Really simple. This guy's going to go up. Then this guy's going to come down. And just like that, your bed's made. RV Queen. And like I was saying, that's that walk around space. Storage behind it. USB-C ports. Storage up top. It's going to wrap around. And then let me show you how quick it is to put it back up. Lock in the latch. Pull that guy down. And then simply just go ahead and put your cushions back. Easy, no hassle. And voila, you're back to the rear lounge. Storage. Very nice. And this one in particular, there's a little cubby in that corner. If you didn't want to reach over here, guess what? You can reach in this way. Piano hinges. Hey, you want some privacy? Wife wants to take a nap, lay down. Open that guy up. Now you just separated the living area with the lounge area. Beautiful shower too, by the way. Nice hanger. This could be your closet as you go. Skylight for us that are a little bit taller. Again, guys, I'm about 6'3". And I have a good amount of room in here. Then check out this guy. Porcelain bowl. Plenty of space. You want a mirror or you want the window with a mirror? Storage on the side. Storage down beneath. Light switch here. Guess what? It can come off the wall. Use it as a remote if you wish. This can turn into another sleeping area as well. So if you have a guest traveling with you, they can have somewhere to sleep while you sleep in the rear. Friend, family, dog. Swivel seats as well, guys. Chassis, adaptive cruise control, all the standard features you're going to get on a Mercedes. Again, this is the Leisure Travel Van 2025 RL. Ansel and Cody with you today.